Hi there. I am Dr. Sandra Sikowski. I am your instructor for English 124 this semester. So, welcome to my class. I look forward to getting to know you more as we work through our semester. So, in our 8-week course, this is an accelerated course, we will be working on constructing a researched argumentative essay. So that means we're making an argumentative essay, we're building an argument, and we're using information from our own research to support that argument. So you will be going through the process of creating a research paper. You will be formulating a topic, drafting a research proposal, researching online and in the DSU library. You will be constructing a bibliography of your sources, and this is going to be an annotated bibliography. So the annotations are really like little summaries of the information you're taking from each source. And then, after creating our annotated bibliography, you will be drafting an argumentative essay. So, remember, this is an argument, so you need to construct a logical argument made up of claims and evidence to support those claims that you found in your own research. So, the first issue at hand is, what do you want to write about? This first week of our course is focused on formulating your topic and also learning about the purpose of research writing. So, here's what you need to do. First things first, complete the introductions discussion board. Tell us a little bit about yourself if you haven't done so already. Then, read through the module. You'll learn about the purpose of research writing, and you'll also read about the proposal assignment. Now, the research proposal is assignment 2.1, so that means it's something we do in week 2. We'll be handing that in next week. I included it here because I want you to get an idea of what you'll be doing in that assignment. So the research proposal is a very important step in performing a research project. This proposal helps you to define your topic. What are you talking about and what aren't you talking about? It helps you develop your reasoning for choosing that topic. It helps you lay out where exactly you're going to look for information on that topic. And it also is a place for you to explain why doing this research is important, why it is important to explore this particular topic. So, in this proposal assignment, there are 9 different sections, and each one is important. I'll be going over all of those sections next week when we prepare the official proposal. So, for this module, your next job is to do discussion 1.1. This discussion board is focused on the rhetorical mode of definition, meaning the meaning of a term or a phrase. So in this discussion, I want you to think about current debates, current issues in the news, and how different sides to a debate define a term differently. So one example that always comes to mind is the issue about abortion. Some say abortion is murder. You're killing someone. On the other side of the spectrum, a person may say, well, it's a simple medical procedure. Right? Very different definitions, and that's because they're coming from different perspectives on the issue. Different sides to a debate have different meanings for the term. I think we can also think of the abortion debate as providing different definitions of life and when life begins, right? That's part of the debate as well. I also think about, for instance, the debate on gun control and what constitutes a quote unquote assault weapon. Some would say the AR 15 is a dangerous assault weapon. Other people who are on another side of that debate would say, well, it's a pretty average medium capacity rifle. And so, do you know of a debate where an important term would be defined differently depending on how you feel about it? So, I look forward to seeing what you think about that. After you complete this discussion, you're ready to start formulating your topic. So, this is why I mentioned in my earlier announcement that you should Google current events and see what kind of articles come up about events that you think are interesting. A topic for your research paper could be related to your major. In fact, it would make a lot of sense if it did, because you're interested in your major, so there's going to be a topic related to your major that you're interested in. But your research paper doesn't have to be in the same field as your major. What do you want to know more about? What current issue is important to you? So, in assignment 1.1, you will explain what your topic is in your own words. So, this assignment can be submitted up to 4 times. So, if your first idea doesn't really make much sense, and I say, well, you can't really write your research paper about that, try again. You can send in a different one. You can complete this, you can submit up to 4 attempts for this assignment. Also, in this assignment, I want you to submit a mind map. A mind map is a great tool for brainstorming. So if you watch the videos that I included here about mind mapping, you'll see that it's really a very simple process of, taking an idea or a phrase, putting it into a little bubble, and then drawing lines to other bubbles to show how they're connected. And so this is a way to see what ideas relate to other ideas. And it's a great way to start, kind of fleshing out what topics are interesting to you. Mind mapping is a way that we can visualize. We can make a visual representation of our thought process. And it also helps you see what main ideas contribute to your topic. So when you're thinking of your research topic, also think of the main ideas you want to address. What goes into this topic that you have to make sure you mention? So in other words, what are the important parts that make up this topic? So those main ideas would be like child bubbles in the mind map that you make. So submit your mind map with assignment 1.1 so that I can get an idea of your thinking process. What topics are related to other topics that you want to research? In the Mind 'em Up mind mapping tool, it's a free online mind mapping tool. You just want to click create a free map, and you'll be able to use all of the possible drawings to create your mind map and get started on yours. So after you submit assignment 1.1, the last part of this week's work is the short write. This is assignment 1.2. And so in this exercise, you have a couple of prompts to choose from, and you only have to choose one. So choose one of those. They ask you to maybe think more deeply about your topic, or go and read some of the web links on research writing and putting into your own words what research writing is about. Whichever prompt you choose, you want to write 200 words in response. Part of this exercise is writing 200 words about a topic. So I do expect the minimum word count here. And so I'm going to grade this exercise on how well and how thoroughly you answer the question, and also on good grammar and mechanics. Remember, this is an English class. I want you to show me how well you can use proper English. So, I'm excited to start this journey with you. I love teaching this class because I always learn something from my students and I learn from their research. So I look forward to learning from you. And please remember, I'm always available via email if you have any questions. My email is ssokowski@desu.edu. I'll see you on the discussion board.